Well, hello and welcome to the Life Coach Office Training Room. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the mass email feature and upload photos. All right, so you can use Life Coach Office to communicate with your clients in many different ways. One of my favorite ways is by using the mass email feature. I like to use this feature for two reasons. One is to communicate with specific groups that I have going on, and then the other is just to use it for monthly email. So just click on mass email and you click on mass email twice in order to create the new email. And here, what you see are all of the groups that you have created within the system, okay? We're just gonna send this to all clients. Now, when you scroll down, you're gonna get the actual email itself, but let's choose a subject line. I'm gonna choose this one. I already started typing and so it was already there. Pathways to Excellence newsletter. And we're going to leave this as hi and first name for now. So what happens is the system is going to pull the first name of every client that this email is going to go out to. And I'm just going to say happy March. Remember to use mindfulness techniques to ease your day. Okay. All right. And I want to put a picture in here as well. Okay. So here we go. We're going to right here, click on the image. And we're not going to use a URL. We're going to actually upload this from our computer. Now, those of you who are sophisticated enough to use a URL, I'm sure you know how to use this very well. We're going to click upload. We're going to choose the file. Okay, and it's just going to open up your system. You go exactly where you want to go, find the picture you want to use. This is the one I'd like to have, and click open. Now, before I send it to the server, I'm going to go on this side for image info, and I am going to ask for this to be centered to the left side of my page, and then I'm going to go ahead and send this to the server. Okay, it's going to do this. It's going to bring me back to that page, and I'm going to click OK. And there we are. It's centered to the left. Now, as you can see, you can make it bigger if you want to. I don't want to. I want to leave this just like this. Okay. And if I preview this, this is what it will look like. All right. Now let's go back and edit because I want to do a few more things to this newsletter. Okay. The other thing that I'd like to do is just click on right before the hi. I'm going to move that down because I want to put a banner in here, and that is going to be another picture. So this is the great place, a great way for you to brand this for yourself. So I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick upload and pick out a logo. All right. Choose the file. Same thing that we did before. I'm going to click on the Universal Coaching Systems logo and click open and send to the server. It's going to take me to the first page. I'm now going to ask for this to be centered on the page. Click OK, and there you have it. So now when I go preview, my newsletter now looks like this. So right in the center is the logo. Hello, first name, happy March. Remember to use mindfulness techniques to ease your day. My little picture that I wanted. All right. Now, I'm not finished yet. Let me just show you a couple more things that we can do with this. So just click the edit button again. You can also have fun with fonts. Let's go underneath the picture. No, not what I want to do. Here. Hold on one moment. I can't get this clicked correctly. Hold on. Let's just do this. Let's have fun with fonts. All right, I'm going to highlight that. I want to change the color. Let's just change it to purple for now. Let's make this bold. Let's make this a little larger, maybe a heading size. See that? It changed everything for you there. When you preview it, this is what you get, okay? And let's edit it again. I want to show you yet one more thing. And you know, I can be a little bit, I have a need to do things exactly the way I want to. Okay, there we go. What I did was I moved the picture down. There we go. That's how I wanted that to appear. All right, now, one other thing that I'd like to show you is about the colors, because you might feel like, okay, these colors that are represented here are not the colors that are in my logo. They're not the colors in my company. You just click more colors. And look at that. All of these wonderful colors come up. And maybe you are partial to like a golden yellow. Okay. And you preview that. And it comes up like that. So I just wanted you to see how easy it is to use our mass email feature. You can create a fantastic looking newsletter or a piece of correspondence to send out to groups, to send out to all of your clients, whichever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and send this out now so that my clients can actually get to see what this looks like. It's going to look just like this on the other side of this. That's all for the training. I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember, if you are ever in Life Coach Office in the system and you need help, just click here for LCO support and you can send an email over, or you can click the resources tab and check out all of our support videos. Until another time, everyone, happy coaching.